In this video, I'm giving away my secret LinkedIn event strategy that's generated over 100K in new revenue in the past few months for me. Well, before we get started, let me tell you a bit about LinkedIn events and why I feel they're a gold mine for getting clients. To close a deal, you actually need to qualify your prospects through 4 different sales stages. It's called the BANT qualification model. BANT stands for B for budget, A for authority, N for need, and T for timeline. I feel, and it's just my suspicion after doing sales for over 5 years, the hardest part of converting clients is actually the timeline. So, how do LinkedIn events help with that? Let me show you with an example. I target people who are interested in LinkedIn lead generation. So, I search for LinkedIn lead gen in the search bar and filter by events that came up. That is the starting of this whole journey. So let me show you my exact LinkedIn event strategy that I used to score over 100K in business in just the past few months. So I search for LinkedIn lead generation here, which is what my audience is interested in. So once you hit LinkedIn lead generation in the search bar, you'll come across, posts, people, products, whatever, right? LinkedIn has a ton of features, but events is what I'm interested in. So I'll just click on this one. Okay, so I can see that there are a ton of events happening, and a lot of them actually are very relevant to the interests of my audience. So if I click on this particular one, it's got like 27,000 attendees. So I'll just click on this one. And once I click on the attend button, I've already done that, then the entire list of people who are attending it are revealed to me. This is amazing, right? Like I just have this feeling that I can convert some of these people into clients very easily. Why is that, right? Because, like I said, there's 4 things that matter when you're doing sales: budget, authority, need, timeline. If somebody has put their hand up to attend an event at 9 a.m. in the morning at their time, right, about LinkedIn lead generation systems, that means that they have some degree of interest and timeline in for making this kind of decision, that they want to learn more for sure, right? Like they're curious. That establishes timeline, and it also establishes need, right? They need this information. Now, the other missing piece is budget and authority. So for that, we use the other filters inside of LinkedIn. So just click on all filters. And now we are only looking at people who are either CEO or co-founder, right? So if you search for people who are CEO or co-founder, and let's say you're only targeting a particular industry where you have experience, let's say professional services, because we have a lot of experience with professional services. Now, this will remove our problems of budget and authority. So I'll just click on show results, and now I'll come up with a dream list of people who are CEOs, co-founders, and they've also registered for this event. This becomes a very, 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 very lucrative list for me. Now, obviously, the list would be very limited because there's only 191 CEOs, but I'm very confident that if I'm able to even convert like 5 or 10 clients out of these 191, that hits my quota clients for this month, right? Like I'm able to generate over 100K in revenue just from a few clients because these are high ticket clients. So Harish, who's a CEO at Infinity CXC, Bhagwati, who's a CEO at Cito, these are very good prospects for me. So how do I actually convert them? Well, you see there's multiple buttons you can use. So there's connect button that's showing up for some people. There's the follow button that's showing up for other people. How can you get clients from this particular page? For those people who, for whom the connect button is showing for you, just click on it, right? Add a note and just say something like, this is the template that I'm giving away. I saw that you're going to this lead generation event. So I was sending it to this particular guy. Oh, wow, what name? Ugendreshwar. Oh, I have an Indian name, but not this complicated. Hi, Ugendreshwar. I saw that you're going to a lead generation event. I believe we can both benefit from discussing it further. Let's connect, right? It's as simple as that. And that's when I hit connect. And that's it. I'll just wait for him to accept it and keep following up until he actually responds to me and we start a conversation. And I can do it for all the people in this event, right? Like it's as simple as that. Or there's another way of doing it. I can fully automate all of it. So let's go into Salesrobot and see how you can do that. Now, just to be upfront, Salesrobot is our tool. It's a paid tool. It costs like $99 per month, but it's got these incredible features through which you can automate outreach to all of these people and actually start a conversation and convert clients. So let's show you what that looks like. So we're here. Let's click on event create campaign. Once we're inside, click on I'm an advanced user. Let's call it event campaign. Hit save. This one should be a LinkedIn search actually. Add from LinkedIn search. You just paste the search URL here. That's it. All of these people, you just paste it here. Hit save. Configure settings. Save and continue. And now you can just create your own sequence. So you create one from scratch. You send a connection request. You say something like hi. First name, it will automatically replace their first name. Like we had to write out for Ugrendeshwar. We'll never have to do it again. We'll never have to type out the name that complicated again. And what we can also do is we can use that template that we saw. So this is that template. I saw that you're going to the LinkedIn lead generation event. I believe we can both benefit. So we go here, go to Salesrobot and just paste the message. That's it. Hit done. At step after, you want to follow up after they connect with you. So say something like, hi, first name. Thanks for connecting with me. Are you using LinkedIn to get leads for company name already? If not, we can help. Something like that, right? So you send this message, let's say 1 hour after they actually connect with you. So that's it, right? Step one, step two, and you can keep adding follow-ups. So hit save, start campaign, and that's it. From this whole list, every day, Salesrobot, it'll reach out to 30-40 people. It'll stop as soon as they respond, and then you can jump in, take the conversation forward, get them on a sales call, close them, make money, go home. All right, so that's how Salesrobot works, and that's how you can use LinkedIn events to get more leads, even if you don't use Salesrobot. So in conclusion, the way to identify your ideal buyers is to identify if they have a budget, authority, need, timeline. LinkedIn events helps with that. And once you have the list ready, you can either do it manually, you can hand it over to a VA, or you can use a cheap tool like Salesrobot at just $99 per month to get way more leads just from LinkedIn. All right, so we keep dropping these videos every week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and you don't miss out on any single value tactic that you can use to get more leads from LinkedIn or cold email. All right, see you guys in the next video, and make sure you do hit the subscribe button.